at Garage Floors of Wisconsin, we're going to make another happy customer. We're going to make your beautiful stoop look like this. If you've seen these trailers in your subdivisions, there's a reason. We've got many trailers like this, great employees, and we aim to please. Today we have an existing stoop that was just done poorly. Concrete was poured, we had issues right away. From there they put a sealer on it. 2 years later somebody came in and threw down some stain, but that stain did not penetrate due to the sealer. We've got flaking, and we have a beautiful home, but now we have a front stoop that the gray flakes are coming in and out of that house all day, and we've got a stoop that doesn't look that eye-peeling, doesn't have that wow factor. So let's go up and take a look and see our project today in Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin. You can see we're kind of getting set up here today. We've got our dust collector, HEPA filters, one of our nice grinding machines here. And if we zoom in on the floor, you can kind of see what we're talking about. We've got chips, flakes, we've got a light gray stain that was done probably 4 years ago that's just flaking, it's not bonding, but we have to create a profile today. We're going to start off by grinding this, get that profile, dust collectors, clean up everything. We got hand grinding in the front, along the front of the beautiful stoop. And within 2 days, we're going to have a beautiful, beautiful front stoop that says, welcome to our beautiful home with this application right here called Quartz. It's about this thick. You can see the thickness of there on the Quartz process. This is about 7 layers of different coatings, epoxies, granules, and beautiful clear coat toppings that has a beautiful color and very, very safe for this nice family. Well, JD, let's get started. Let's start this show. Let's get this grinder started up. Very exciting clients today. Can't wait to get this.
Bring it on.
There we go. All right, today we're in Menomonee Falls. We're day 2 of her beautiful front stoop quartz system. Again, Garage Floors of Wisconsin, Menomonee Falls. As you all know, our big thing this month is driveway sealer, concrete sealer, resurfacing concrete. You can kind of zoom in on some of these pits here. And right behind you here, all these pops and chips, we actually have a product that resurfaces concrete. We do 2 layers of overlay, and we do the picture framing in broom brushed, and then 2 layers of sealer, which really protects this driveway for the future. Epoxy garage floors is what we're known for. Big, beautiful color flakes, industrial grade materials. But today, again, we're in Menomonee Falls. And let's go back up to Mary's Miniac's beautiful front stoop. E2 basically is another coating of epoxy with colored quartz to give it that thicker. We start to fill in all the different pops and chips, get it nice and smooth. Of course, we want to keep off at this point. And this afternoon, we're actually going to put down our 3rd layer of quartz, and then tomorrow would be 2 layers of sealer, and this would look absolutely beautiful. We're a little low grade. If you look here on the side, we did pick up some beautiful small Merrimack decorative stones that we're able to bring that up to grade for them, so nobody by accident takes an ankle and goes down. So we'll bring this up. This is going to go up to about here. So right about here would be beautiful decorative stones that finish this off and just make this, again, what they were looking for. Welcome to our home, that beautiful look. Thanks again for being here with us at Garage Floors of Wisconsin, right here in Menomonee Falls. So today we are putting down the top clear coat, and this product here will give it a little bit of a sheen and protection for years. You put down 2 coats. There's about 8 hours drying time, depending upon temperature and the weather. So today, we're putting down that beautiful top clear coat, and we'll take, like I said, about 8 hours, depending upon weather. And I'll be back here tomorrow morning to put down the second clear coat. It makes it, when it's all said and done, it makes it probably 20% darker, maybe even a little more. It really makes everything start to pop. All those beautiful granules now are getting embedded, and it's just a beautiful surface. What a beautiful day. Today we're in Menomonee Falls, and we just finished a beautiful front stoop for Mary Helminak and Rick Helminak right here in Menomonee Falls. Let's go out and see how it turned out. All right, today we're in Menomonee Falls. We just finished a beautiful front stoop right here in Menomonee Falls with Mary and Rick Helminak. And here's Mary. Mary, just tell us a little bit about yourself and how you heard about Garage Floors of Wisconsin.
Well, I heard about you because you did my landscaping about 11 years ago, and I was so impressed with what you did. And when you sent us the card for what you're doing now, I decided to give you a holler, and I am so impressed. I am just really impressed with you, and I'm really glad that I called you.
Appreciate that. Thank you for the kind words. What didn't you like most about that front stoop area, and why we made this change?
When we first looked at our house, I was so impressed about the porch, and there was an issue with the porch when they built the house. So what I asked them to do was to fix it because it was all moldy. It had turned moldy. And he said he would put a stain on the porch, and it would not come off. Well, after 6 calls and them coming over to fix it, it never got fixed. So what was happening is the stain was coming off, and it was chipping, and it was going into my home. So that's what I did.
And these grade chips were about this big, tiny little grade chips. Every time people would come in, they would bring them right inside the house. So it was unsightly and obviously very aggravating for you guys to live in your beautiful home.
Definitely.
Well, what do you love most about your new stoop?
I like just coming up to it because it looks so refreshing and homey, and I just love it. It looks like carpeting to me.
Yeah, zoom in there, take a look. Look how beautiful that looks.
It's just a wonderful porch. It just made the house just look so much better. I really do like the porch a lot.
Yeah, I love how we kept that nice, scene there. It looks beautiful. How was your experience with Garage Floors of Wisconsin?
I have to tell you, Bob, you were wonderful. You called me on every step of the way. I mean, if you couldn't come because of rain, you called me, you let me know you were coming, or if you were going to be late. Your work was just wonderful. You're very meticulous, and I think what you've done, what you've done is just a very good job.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mary. Appreciate your business. Thank you so much.
Sure, I'm sure you'll get more of mine.
Appreciate it. Again, live here in Menomonee Falls for another happy customer. And we're on to Delafield today to do another big project with Garage Floors of Wisconsin. Thank you. We'll see you next time.
Bye.